guys, in today's video I am telling you about the machine learning and machine learning examples. Okay, this video is about machine learning examples, so get ready for that. So now let's move to computer screen and let's learn about the machine learning languages. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video I am telling you about the machine learning examples. So let's learn about that. First of all, what I can do, I write like here like 134. Okay, now let's learn about that. Image classification example. Result here. Artificial intelligence, music intelligence. Okay. Can an algorithm compose better music than a human? David Cobb is a former professor of music at the University of Santa Cruz, California. Okay. For over 30 years, David Cobb has been developing Emmy experimental musical intelligence and algorithms to compose music in the style of famous composers. Beck, Larson or Emmy. In the test performed by Professor Douglas Hofstadter of the University of Oregon and pianist performed 3 musical pieces in the style of Bach. One written by Bach, one written by Steve Larson, one written by Emmy. Dr. Larson was hurt when the audience concluded that his piece was written by Emmy. He felt better when the listeners decided that the piece composed by Emmy was a genuine Bach. Source: New York Times. Vivaldi. David Cobb, Emmy Vivaldi. Okay. Project Baseline. Project Baseline is an initiative to make it easy for everyone to contribute to the map of human and health and to participate in clinical research. Okay. Now, in Project Baseline, researchers, clinicians, engineers, designers, and advocates and volunteers can collaborate building the next generation of healthcare tools and services. Okay. Now, baseline. Data scientists. Data scientists can be experts in multiple disciplines: applied mathematics, computer statistics, computer science, machine learning, deep learning. Data scientists also have scientific big data experience in like business intelligence, database design, data warehouse design, data mining, SQL queries, SQL reporting. Okay, like that. Now, like I have told you till here, and many things I have told you. So now let's more learn about that. So now, artificial intelligence is a scientific discipline. What? Artificial intelligence is a scientific discipline embracing several data science fields, ranging from narrow AI to strong AI, including machine learning like deep learning, big data, and data mining. Okay. Artificial health intelligence. What? Artificial health intelligence. The corona pandemic pushed the need for optimizing medical health. What? The pandemic pushed the need for optimizing the medical health care. Machine learning is new technology. What? Machine learning is one new technology that can provide better drug discovery. Okay. Shorter development time and lower drug cost. Machine learning enables healthcare to use big data, okay, for making better medical or clinical decisions, okay. Now, FDA statement. FDA statement. Statement from FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb, MD, on steps toward a new tailored review framework for artificial intelligence and space medical devices. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have the potential to fundamentally transform the delivery of healthcare as technology and science advance. We can expect to see earlier diseases detection. Okay. Now let's more deep in the machine learning. More accurate diagnosis, more targeted their traps, and significant improvements in personalized medicines. Okay, so here you can see it. In today's video, I told you about like what is the machine learning examples, and one more thing I have told you like where is that? In the project-based lines, researchers and clinical engineers, designers, and advocates and volunteers can collaborate building the next generation of healthcare tools and service. And which type of services? Let me tell you: baseline service, data scientists. Data scientists can be experts in multiple disciplines: applied mathematics, computer statistics, computer science, machine learning, and deep learning. Also, data scientists can also have scientific big data experience, and in business intelligence, database design, data warehouse design, data mining, SQL queries, and SQL reporting. These things I have told you. Okay, let me mark it here. Where is that? Okay. Okay, now from here to here. Okay, here. Okay, these things I have told you. Now you must know these all things which are I have told you. Okay, you must know these things. If you do not know, so please write here baseline. Go on to the Google and write what is baseline in machine learning. Then Google will tell you a benchmark for model efficient. The baseline model in machine learning services as a word stick against with more complicated models. Models may be judged. They can use elaborate value of investing in more intricate model by comparing the result of several models. Okay, this one and baseline example, and you can write here what is data science. So it has been also told you. Google has been also told you. Okay, here you can see it. In today's video, I told you about the machine learning example. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit the like button, share, friends, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And I appreciate your support through. If you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. Okay. And if you do not haven't checked my playlist yet, so move on to the code with pk.com or my YouTube channel, so you can easily access and bookmark my playlist. So now I'm in next class. These type of videos has been come daily. Okay, now and from today the two videos has been come of the code with PK, like in the night, in the morning one video, in the night one video, morning one video, in the night one video. Okay, this type of videos has become very easily accessed. And please tell me how my performance is going, and please tell me if now our Python DSA are ending. Our Python DSA tutorial are ending in the next week. So please tell me when Python DSA has been ended. So which type of series has been started. So please tell me in the comment. And now I meet you next lesson, next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.